human brain. Like, see, can you see the waves? Like, I don't know what the scientific word for it. He has more waves than a normal person. Like, rally, rally, rally. Like in human brain, there are millions of cells, but we get only few, like about 100 maybe, like few number of cells only work in a normal person's brain. But the difference is, Buddha, Lord Buddha, his brain, all the cells worked. He got use of all the cells, all the brain cells. But in our case, only few cells are working. So what else? Okay, there's another story for Isaac Newton. Okay, Isaac Newton, there was a gate for his, normal. We also have gates, but his gate is very hard to open. When somebody wants to go in, you have to like the full strength, you have to put the full energy of yours to open the gate, right? It's very hard to open. And then one day there was a meeting, scientist gathering. Then everybody, some scientists were against, didn't like Isaac Newton. So they wanted to tell something against Isaac Newton. And they said, okay, you are a greatest scientist, but the gate of your house is nobody can open the gate of your house. But you are a greatest scientist for physics, but you can't make your own gate. Then you know what the reply Einstein gave, Isaac Newton gave? Every time you open your gate, my water tank gets filled. Every time, it's like a lever, it works like a lever. Every time you open my gate, my water tank up there gets filled. මේ ගේට්ටු අරින හැම වාරයකම මගේ උඩ වතුර ටැංකිය පිරෙනවා. That means it works like a lever. ලීවරයක් වගේ වැඩ කරනවා එක. That's why it's hard. Got it. You know any stories like that? Yes. Any such stories? Any interesting stories?
Teacher, there is also a story about Isaac Newton of
Yeah.
the apple. The
Hmm.
apple fruit is falling down from the tree,
Isaac.
and he's thinking about why does it falls only down. It can also go above the sky, and he think about that,
Oh, okay.
and then he was the he was uh, he he was the scientist who name the
Hmm.
what?
Yes.
Mm, mm. Teacher Guruktakarshana Bale.
Gravity, gravity.
Who named the gravity?
Yes. Okay. Any other stories? Good. Any other stories? You know, I will help you to translate into English. That's not a problem.
Also, teacher, before that, um, again, I cannot remember that.
Okay. You can tell
Uh,
me in like next week.
not teacher, what's that? The English meaning for Guruktakarshana?
Gravity, gravity.
Gravity. Also, before that, gravity is if also before people know the gravity, there was a scientist named Pythagoras, and he was the person who was known as the Earth is a spherical object, and he used uh, uh, he used uh, orange uh, and let I cannot tell it about no he uh, mm, he let the orange for the shadow of the sun,
Mhm.
sorry, shadow of the moon, and there was uh, o- at other side there was a shadow in the orange, and then told it also our earth is also a spherical shaped object, and the student asked why does also know also uh, when the people who lived in north and south, they they could in upside down, and but Pythagoras cannot reply it because any the people didn't know about the mm, teacher, what's the meaning about that again?
Gravity.
Grutha, the
Grav
uh, but Pythagoras cannot reply that because any people don't know about what's the gravity, and there was no any word or like that.
nobody knew. Pythagoras couldn't reply. Barry Una.
Yeah.
Pythagoras couldn't reply, and nobody knew what gravity was. Okay, good. Any other? Okay, next week you should prepare mean you don't have to like a script, study on a script. You just come and talk like very casually, right? Something interesting about not from your textbook. Something like maybe a story about somebody like Einstein, like not the life story, like he was born in this state and he died in this state, not that, right? Just the story, just something new, something strange, something we have never heard about, right? Okay, what I told you about Einstein or Albert Einstein or Isaac Newton, something like that. Or you can talk about art, or you can talk about science, but which not from your textbooks, right? Something new. Okay. Uh, okay, then we'll move on to our grammar. Yeah, grammar class. Okay, how do you ask? Let's see. You come home after school and then you go to the kitchen. You are hungry now. And you see empty pots and pans. That means you see no food. So you go to your mother and what should you ask? Mother, how do you ask?
Don't you cook today?
No, don't you cook mean other uyanadda.
Didn't you cook today?
Didn't you cook today? Yes. Okay, right. And let's see. Now your mother serves your food and keeps on the table. And you are doing some homework or you are watching TV and your mother comes around 2, right? After about 2 hours, then she sees still your food is on the table. What can she ask? What will she ask? Tama
Didn't you eat food?
you eat, yes. Kannadda, how do you ask? Kannadda.
Don't you eat?
Don't you eat? Don't you eat? Yes. Right? Okay. Uh, okay, how do you ask? Then you say, okay, Hari, Mama kannam. How do you say? Mama
Okay, I will
kannam.
Okay, I will eat.
Okay, I will eat. Yes. Okay, I will eat. Right. And then, okay. How it is, let's see, your mother coming from somewhere, right? Okay, come home. And you see, okay, Mama dakka amma enama. How would you say? Mama dakka amma enama. Mama dakka amma enama. Sandaru?
I see mother is going.
I,
I
Mama,
saw mother is coming.
I saw mother coming. I saw mother is coming. නෙමෙයි. I saw mother coming. I saw her coming.
Excuse me, teacher. Can we say I saw mother comes?
No. අම්මා එනවා දැක්කා. එතකොට අම්මා එනවා mother coming. එක pattern එකක්. It's a pattern. මම දැක්කා අම්මා එනවා. I saw her coming. මම දැක්කා බස් එක එනවා. I saw the bus coming. It's a pattern. Learn it. I saw mother coming. I saw her coming. I saw him. මම එයා යනවා දැක්කා. How do you say? මම එයා යනවා දැක්කා.
Going.
I saw
I saw she going.
I saw she going. I saw her going. That's the pattern. I saw her going. I saw him going. Right? Okay. මම දැක්කා ඒගොල්ලෝ play කරනවා.
I saw they are playing.
I saw them playing. They are mean ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ. Right? Object එකට when they comes as a object them. Okay, Navidu, how do you say මම දැක්කා මල්ලි chocolate හංගනවා. How do you say?
I saw brother හංගනවට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ?
Height.
Height. I saw brother hide chocolate.
Hiding chocolates. I saw Malli hiding chocolates. Right? Okay. Jitum, how do you say? Mama දැක්කා අක්කා fridge එක අරිනවා. Jitum?
I saw I saw sister open the fridge.
open in the fridge. අයා අරිනවා. දැන් අරින එක මම දැක්කේ. සිද්ධ වෙමින් තියෙන action එක තමයි මම දැක්කේ. ඒතකොට මොකක් හරි සිද්ධ වෙමින් තියෙනවා. If something is happening, we use ing. එකක් හරි සිද්ධ වෙමින් තියෙනවා නම් අපි ing use කරන්නේ. මම දැක්කා මොකක් හරි සිද්ධ වෙමින් තියෙන දෙයක්. I saw her opening the fridge. Right? Okay. Netuми මම දැක්කා අම්මා සල්ලි මේස උඩ තියනවා. Your mic is
I saw the mother.
සල්ලි
I saw the mother. I saw the mother.
සල්ලි මේස උඩ තියනවා.
Putting the money on the table.
I saw amma. I'm talking about this spoken English at home. So you can say amma. I saw amma keeping the money on the table. Right? Okay. මම චමිති මම දැක්ක අම්මා එළවලු ෆ්‍රිජ් එකෙන් එළියට ගන්නවා.
I saw mom getting vegetables from fridge.
Get vegetables out of the fridge. Very good. ජෙහානි මම දැක්ක අම්මා ටැක්සි එකට පේ කරනවා.
I saw mother paying the taxi.
Hey, the taxi. Very good. චමින්දු මම දැක්කා එයා මගේ පොත ඉරනවා. ඉරනවට එයා.
I saw him tearing my book.
Very good. Right? සඳරු මම දැක්කා මල්ලි ටීවී බලනවා.
I saw Mali watching TV.
TV. Very good. Senara මම දැක්කා වාහනේ හයියෙන් එනවා.
I saw a vehicle drive past.
Vehicle coming fast. Right? Okay. Very good. So it's a pattern. Okay. Right. How would you say next Sunday? Right? How would you? Okay. Mama hama iridama daham pasal yano. How would you say?
I went to school every Sunday.
Sorry,
I go to Dhamma school every Sunday.
I go to Dhamma school every Sunday. Can we say I'm going to Dhamma school every Sunday?
No, it means doing now.
Doing now. Doing now or only these days?
Only these days.
Okay, doing now එකත් හරි. දැන් කරනවා නැත්තම් මේ දවස්වල විතරක් කරන එක. Right? Okay. How would you say that? There are two patterns. මම හැමදාම ජීවත් වෙන්නේ කොළඹ. ඒත් මං නිවාඩුවට මේ දවස්වල නුවර ලොකු අම්මගේ ගෙදර ඉන්නවා. How would you say?
I live in
I usually
but
live
but I
Colombo.
came.
Yes, I came to Kandy for the vacation. Or
For
else you can
vacation.
Or else you can say, I'm living in Kandy these days because of my vacation. That means I am living mean එක මේ දවස්වල විතරයි Kandy වල ඉන්නේ. That's why. Right? Generally, හැමදාම every day if you live in Kandy, you can say I live in Kandy. But for a change, you have go to Kandy, then I'm living in Kandy these days. Okay, right. Mama next Sunday නුවරඑළිය යනවා. How would you say? Mama, අපි next Sunday නුවරඑළිය යනවා.
I am going to
Going
Candy on next Sunday.
Okay, good. Any other?
I will go to Candy next Sunday.
Okay, any other?
I'm
Jihan?
planning to I'm planning to go
Yeah, plan.
Candy.
Plan is like මම යනවා. Plan කරනවා නෙවෙයි මම යනවා. Letumi? Jehani? Yes. I am going to Kandy next Sunday. Right? එක fix plan. Fix plan එකක් තියෙනවා. Your personal fix plan. ඔගලගේ පුද්ගලික fix plan. Fix කරගත්ත දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම් we use present continuous. Am is ing. I will කියන්නේ sure නෑ. මම යයි නැත්තම් මම යන්නම් කියන එක. That's the difference. Okay, right, good. And ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවට seasons නැහැ. කියන්නේ winter, autumn seasons නැහැ. How would you say?
There are no seasons in Sri Lanka.
There are no seasons in Sri Lanka.
Yes. Okay. There's another way, another pattern.
Sri Lanka don't have seasons.
Sri Lanka doesn't have seasons. Right. Very good. Good. Okay. Right. So next one. Okay, how would you say මිනිස්සු 45ක් මැරිලා තියෙනවා. මැරුණා නෙවෙයි මැරිලා තියෙනවා.
45 people
They
have
have
45 people have
45 people have died.
Very good. 45 people have died. Very good. Good knowledge of good knowledge.
Excuse me, can we say have been done?
No. That is passive voice. Have died. Right? Maruna.
Okay.
Okay. මෙහෙම කිව්ව හැකි. You can say have been killed. ඒගොල්ලෝව මරලා තියෙනවා. Okay, right. Okay. Okay. ගින්නක් ඇති වුණා. How do you say?